was some points where I almost died, and I didn't even think I was going to make it for a long time.
Pretty stunning to hear the hardships that Aslan Shipp had to overcome.
I've had salmonella, bacterial pneumonia, something called Kawasaki disease. My spleen almost erupted, and that put me in the hospital for a few weeks. Alvin almost unenrolled me because of my absences, and that's when we decided to transfer to Rise.
Having so many trips to see doctors and wondering if his last breath was coming soon, Aslan got a new outlook on life.
It makes you realize that some things just really aren't as important as you think they are.
That made him choose to be less lazy, less combative, and to concentrate more on school. One of the first things he did was join the Dungeons & Dragons Club.
I think that club has definitely opened new doors for me, considering that I didn't know anyone.
He just has such a big heart, and he's such a joy to have here at school, and really shows the spirit of a Rise student on helping people, helping others, putting others ahead of himself.
That's why Aslan wants to become a life flight paramedic when he's older. He's starting on that path by taking EMT classes at J.B. Hensler.
There's something that you can tell about a student who you know they're going to go through. Like, he's a great student, and I think he'll do well in EMS.
He wants to get in the medical field to pay it forward, to help others like he was helped out. He brings that helping hand to another field, martial arts.
Right now I work in the Manville area at a Master Men's World Champion Taekwondo. I'm an instructor there, and I chose to be an instructor there because A, I love helping kids out, and B, it's something I truly enjoy.
Life has dealt him some unexpected punches, but he's learned to rise above it to become Salutatorian.
I didn't think I'd be graduating, especially here at Rise, but now I'm about to walk across the stage.
It's the first step in many more successes to come.